Hello beauties, it's your girl Angie baby and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a summer look that was requested by one of my subscribers, Brittany. Hey, so she did request that I do a summer look, and this is the look I came up with. So as you can see, I already have one eye done. My face is pretty much done, but I will have little videos here and there in regards to how I achieve this look and what products I use. So with no further ado, we can jump right into the video. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. So again, today I'll be using the Norvina Volume 2 by ABH. Again, this is the concept I came up with. I hope that my camera lens is a little bit closer because I know somebody was like, Angela, zoom in for me. So hopefully it's zoomed in enough. I don't want to zoom in too much because y'all like, Angela, I need you to back that camera up. Back it up. So okay, I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit more if it let me. Okay. So hopefully this is good enough. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, because I don't want to get too close, you know what I'm sure. But today I'll be doing this look on this eye, and then we'll finish everything off. So the great thing about this palette, it does come with a mirror, and the colors are really nice. So here's the colors, and this is pretty much in real lighting. Now honestly, this is not something I will gravitate towards because I'm more like, I like earth tones, I like neutral colors, not as bright. But so I was like, let me kind of go outside my little realm. So that's what I did today. So because this palette is really easy in regards to the names, I'm just going to name the shadows that I'm going to be using. And it's A1 through A5, one row, and it's E1 through E5. So the first color that I went into E3. So I'm tapping, I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Now I will say these, I'm not gonna sit here and lie, this palette is very pigmented. So yeah, you're definitely going to get your money's worth. So I'm just gonna blend that out. I did have to kind of like clean off my brush because that's how good this formula was on this palette. So shout out to ABH. And the colors are not chalky at all. So I'm just gonna go back and forth, and then when I'm done blending that out, then yeah. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to go into is going to be C4. And I'm just going to put that right under. Using a clean white brush and kind of just diffusing that color out. So I'm now going to go and I'm going to honestly go in, I'm going to go into B5 to kind of lighten that up a little bit. So now I'm going to go into D5, which is a darker blue. And I'm going to put that, ooh, put a little bit too much, but I'm going to put that on the end. So now that that is done, I'm going to get my NYX I'm going to get my NYX glitter primer, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to get this brush, and I'm going to do a cut crease. To go into the color A5, and I'm just going to put that on top of where I applied that NYX glitter primer. So now that that is done, I'm going to go into A3, which is like a translucent, transparent lime green, yellow kind of, and I'm just going to apply that right on top. So you can see it's coming along. Now to kind of brighten it up a little bit more, I'm going to go into C1, and I'm going to try to show you guys the color. It's more like a goldish kind of shimmer, so I'm going to brighten this up a little bit more by placing that. It's kind of like that brush itself, it's a smaller version of it. So I'm just going to try to place that in the beginning. And then I'm going to get that same brush, and I'm going to go into E1, which is kind of the same consistency as the other one. And I'm kind of just going to bring all that together. And then now I'm going to go ahead and clean everything up. Kind of clean up that part. Now what yes, everything is awesome, but what I'm also going to do, I'm going to go into B5 because I do want to kind of make this a little bit brighter, and I'm going to go back into that B5 color, and I'm going to just put this again on top of that dark color that I did initially, and that's just to brighten things up a little bit more, because again, we're going to go into a summer look, but I like to kind of mellow things down just a little bit. Okay, so what I may do, so what I'm also going to do to kind of make this more of a summer look, I'm going to put some pink on the bottom. I'm going to use this brush, and I think I'm going to put pink under. See how that look? And the color that I'm using, I'm sorry, this is D3. So now that that's all done, I'm gonna finish putting on my eyebrows. They're done. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes and put on my mascara, and then I'll come back with the completed look. But so far, I think this is coming out pretty well. So I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. So everything is final. I put on my lashes, I did my lip gloss, the eye is done. So yeah, I think this is a nice little summertime look. It's not too much, it's not too little. It does have a little sparkle, because you guys know I love my sparkles. I just love my sparkles. So I think it came out pretty well. Again, I should have all the links in regards to everything that's applied. But yeah, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and let everybody know to come and join the Angie Baby YouTube channel, where I'm trying to bring all the new stuff, all the creative looks, and just, yeah. So again, comment down below, like, comment, and share, and have a great rest of your day.